ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kum ka jing persang ban pensngau thu ye ki nongrep bakin kiar kat bala anak ba pendan kam ye ki dawais bo ka College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences jong ka Central Agricultural University Imphal ka badan ha yam harengkat ka jing trailang bat ka ICAR National Bureau of Agriculturally Important Microorganism lembat ka rila jong Farmers Produce Organization nongpo kila ajing hikai ki nongrep kumno banrep klem da pendan kam shu ya kada waisbo hagani ke jing ai jing hikai ka balalong ha parish hall jong ka umden parish ha ribhoi le don langru professor jong ka College of Postgraduate na Central Agricultural University u Dr. Pranab Datta lembar professor Dwindra Thakuria ki balalong ki nong ai jing hikai bat ki nong penshai shi ki nong rep bat kentobru principal jong ka St. Joseph Higher Secondary School u Father Jukin Eka u rangba snong u Batisha Inghi ka kong Marian Maring u ba Skem Sweat u paralat tur kibadai ki nongelam jong karila jong Farmer Produce Organization bat kiwei kiwei
unit, normal unit, Indian unit. Baru ini ngelatih asal normal berkemudian. Kemudian tu menasi ni latih asal normal unit. Kamu perlu ngelatih sam ikan dingso ikba CU R1. Nanti ikan dingso nanti kunci disampai cukup motor pan bagi Hanan ang ngelatih sam yang besar so, ba isai patchen yang jauh lain, kiong besar so. Nanti, amak pun unit tu ngelatih sam yang motor nanti ulama dong, dan isai pat usian rai ni isai pat, ulama dong. Nanti kunci disampai cukup pan di motor. Bagi di kuning so sampai jauh ada sam, konsultasi unit, nanti pro unit, ni don kami di nongrep, but untuk kita kinso kiba ni lah bantu cemye, kiwi nanti occasional bagi ni persang bantu cemye, jadi jaka jenis boleh karena air jadi player ibu mayong. Trishtom baniba lahan punya ni somken chili somken food
or they do not have proper knowledge on this type of thing. That's why they are that is we are the Meghalaya student the doctor of India they used to say Meghalaya is a by board by default organic state. Now but it is the government thing. Many times I have seen our Meghalaya state they used to import near about 9 metric ton of fertilizer and pesticide to cultivate good crop to help the farming community. Okay, so that wherever our farmers are making more and more problem, they can supply those things to those farmers so that they can save their crop. But the rate is very less as compared to Maharashtra, Punjab, Haryana, where people are importing, that means governments are importing thousands tons of fertilizer and pesticide to cultivate a particular crop. Okay, now though we are by default organic, organic state, we have to save our crop, especially from the pest and diseases.
So with this few words, I try to give you some concept that how you can apply in the field. So for that, we are really thankful to all of you coming over here along with our Relazon FPO farmers group because they are very active in farmers field level. Because our main job is we used to teach the student. Actually, our job is that we can finish over here that we are teaching students and farmers. But at the same time, it is also our duty that we should develop some good material for research, so that these materials it goes to the farmers and farmers can use and develop it and use it and they can earn the benefits. So that is one additional part we used to do, and that is the outcome of our research. And we hope that young farmers will be willing to do. My request is you please do once your bill is empty. We are giving you seed and everything. You see it there, and you see that some seed without giving this, and half part of the seed giving this. Put in the center. Half without this, half with this. You will get that effect.